Hey everyone, George here, doing a quick YouTube video for any members on the forum that might have a question on how to insert photos into your forum post here on the site. Please keep in mind that if you try to do the same techniques on another site, it may or may not work, as some sites only allow you to upload photos from free image software sites such as Photobucket.com. We will allow you to use sites like that, but we will also allow you to upload photos directly from your computer or laptop, desktop, tablet, etc. So to begin, I'm simply just going to go down here on the forum and go into any topic I want. So we're going to go into the Recycler's Den. From here, you just simply click on Post New Thread. And then from here, you just insert any kind of title you want. Now, with our particular forum, unless you're uploading more than one photo, you have to include some kind of text, otherwise the forum will reject it, saying the message is too short. So for this demonstration, since we're only going to implement one photo, then we'll enter some basic text. Now from here, you can simply click the enter button a couple of times to give you space between the text and the actual photo. Now from here, to actually insert the photo, you can do this. Go here where you'll see a little picture frame, what looks like to be a tiny tree in the center of it. When you hover over it, you'll see the text saying insert image. You simply click on that, then you have two options. You can either do it from a computer, as I mentioned before, you can do it from a URL. The URL you would simply get from the site that is hosting your photo, such as Photobucket.com, which I'll get to in just a minute. Now to do it from your computer, you simply click on Select Files. A window like this will pop up. Yours might look different depending on what version of Windows you're using. I'm currently using Windows 7. Then I'll go. Then we'll simply browse to where some of my pictures are at. And I'll just click on, say, camera, for instance. Now as you see, it gives you the file name and the size. Then all you do from there is simply click upload files, and it will be implemented directly into the forum post. Now if you're going to do it from a site such as Photobucket.com, you simply click the tab that says from the URL, and it'll ask you to implement the URL. Now another thing you can do too is, if you're like me, I upload all my photos to my own web server. So if you do things like that, you simply enter in a URL like this. Now as you can see, I just did a quick example, and basically how your URL will look. You could either do the http://www.domain.com, or you could just simply do domain.com / etc. Now for this, your folders would be different. You basically just put in the URL of wherever you put your photos at on your web server, whether it's pics, images, photos, etc. Then you just simply also enter in the name of the photo itself and whatever file extension it is. I normally always do GIFs, but you can also do PNG, and there's quite a few others. Now for this example though, since some of you may or may not have your own web servers, I'm going to be showing you also how to do it from Photobucket.com, since that's who I sometimes use as well. Now from here, you'll see the exact same image that I already took off of my computer, camera.jpg. What you would simply do from here is you have email and I, direct link, HTML code, which can be used if you're creating Craigslist.org ads for your business, and you also have image codes as well. So for this example, we're actually going to be using the one that says direct link right here. So you simply click on it once, then you hit Control C, or you can also right click and click copy. Then you go back over here to the form, then you simply click either Control V, or to erase this out real fast, you can also right click and hit Control, or hit paste, I apologize, hit paste. Then from there you just simply hit OK. And then as you see, the photos appeared right there into the forum post. Now to actually make it go live to where other members on the site can see, you just simply scroll down, click on submit new thread. Now if you're replying to somebody's existing thread on the site, you can simply just click on reply to thread, and it'll work in the same exact manner. So we'll click on submit new thread, and it'll take a second, and here you go. Now of course, depending on what dimensions for the photo the sites like photobucket.com has chosen to be, will just depend on how big your site, or not your site, but how big your photo will appear on the site. If you find it too big, you can simply open up the image in any kind of image editing software like Photoshop, Paint, etc., and just downgrade it if you wanted a smaller image. And also the same thing if you might want to make it a bigger image as well. And that's pretty much it. If any of you have any questions, feel free to ask us, ask whatever questions you might have below in this thread, and I'll be more than happy to get them answered for you, or another member of the forum can also answer them for you as well. Thanks guys, and talk to y'all soon. Bye.